You have probably used a few buy and sell indicators before, and you know the deal. They tell you when to buy and when to sell. Looks simple, looks clean, but here is the catch. There's one big problem with most of these indicators. Sometimes those signals go the complete opposite way and suddenly your portfolio is bleeding red. Yeah, that is the usual pain with trading indicators. They just don't have enough data to fully understand market structure. But recently, I came across a buy and sell indicator on TradingView that really caught my eye. This one isn't just a signal generator. It is a complete trading system built from a bunch of indicators working together. You don't even need to add anything else. No extra indicators, no manual price action, nothing. It gives you clear buy and sell signals, plus entry points, a stop loss, and 3 take profit targets, with the exact price levels right there in front of you. And once price starts moving in that direction, you'll notice something crazy. Those take profit levels actually line up with liquidity zones that price reacts to instantly. Buy or sell, doesn't matter. In both cases, you get the full setup: entry, stop loss, and 3 take profit points, each one acting as a key support or resistance level. The indicator I'm talking about is ProV4 from Smart Algo, who are actually the collaborators for this video. Now if you open up the indicator settings and head over to the Inputs tab, you'll see the options that control how the signals work. The cool part is, this indicator actually uses AI-generated data to provide buy and sell signals. Next up, we've got signal sensitivity. This one decides whether you want signals based on minor trends or the major ones. Then there is signal calibration, which fine-tunes how close those signals get to the main reversal point. But maybe the best part is the trading type. The indicator can actually adjust based on your trading style, so whether you are a quick scalper or a patient swing trader, this indicator got you covered. Then there is the enhancing system, and this one is honestly fabulous. You can choose to get your signals based on volatility, liquidity, price sweeps, order flow, or even the moving averages. But maybe the most impressive part of this indicator is the indicator overlay. Everything you see here, from trend trail to channel breaks, these are actually mini indicators built inside the main one. You can activate 1 or 2 of them for extra confirmation and stronger trade setups. And finally, we've got market structure. Now if you are into smart money concepts, this part will feel right at home. So that's pretty much all the valuable data packed into this one indicator we're going to analyze today. Let's go through some backtests on Bitcoin 1 hour timeframe before diving deeper into what this indicator can really do. In the settings, I have set signal sensitivity to 3.8, calibration to 5, trading type on a scalp. And under the enhancing system, I have checked dynamic flow and set its value to 4. So the first signal we've got here is a buy, and you can see how cleanly that played out. Then right at the end of this move, we've got a short indication. So let's keep it running and see how this setup performs as the market moves live. Now let's dive deeper into the different aspects of this indicator to see how it performs under various market conditions and how we can actually trade using it. The first thing I want to show you is channel breaks. It comes with a sensitivity setting, and under filters you can even choose to show only bullish or bearish signals depending on your setup. Channel breaks basically represent support and resistance zones. The indicator calculates the average price and highlights potential market return points above and below the current price level. Take a look at this example. We've got a short signal. After a bit, you can see how candles pull back to the upper resistance zone. This could have been a great entry spot, since the candles got rejected and there was a strong chance price moves down from that level. Once the candles reaches the lower support zone, I can safely break even and start looking for lower targets. So if the candles keep dropping, I can just ride that wave all the way down. Now let's move on and take a look at another really useful aspect of this indicator. In inputs, bring on the trend trails. Just like before, you can customize it to show only bullish or bearish signals, depending on your trading style. Once you hit OK, you'll notice a blue and a red ribbon following the trend on the chart. This feature provides really valuable data. It is actually an indicator on its own. Take a look at here, there's a short signal on the chart, and you can see the trend trail has moved above the candles and is red. That is a clear momentum shift, signaling that a downtrend is likely forming. The moment the candles move above the blue trail, that is a sign of possible momentum reversal, this time in the opposite direction. One key takeaway from the trend trails is this: when a long signal appears above the blue trail, it is usually a high probability setup, at least from what I have tested. And the same logic applies for the shorts. When a short signal appears below the red trail, it often indicates a strong bearish momentum. You can set a tight stop loss just above the trail, keeping your trade clean and low risk. So far, we have only analyzed two of the main components, and we have tested it across different assets and timeframes out there. But if you want to explore this unique tool for yourself, a Smart Algo Pro V4 is now available. You can find the link below in the description or in the comments section if you want to check it out and experiment with it on your own. And remember, risk management is always more important than any trading setup, whether you're using indicators or pure price action. Managing your risk can protect your capital, minimize your losses, and give you a clear perspective on how to grow portfolio safely over time. And before you go, I have to announce that I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not a financial advice. All the content, information, and opinions shared in this video are for educational and entertaining purpose only. Trading has a significant risk, so consult a professional before taking any financial decisions.